Praise the Lord. Today is March 11th. You are God's precious creation. I consider that our present suffering are not worth comparing with the glory that will be revealed in us. For the creation waits in eager expectation for the children of God to be revealed. Romans 8:19 and 20. God blessed them and said to them, "Be fruitful and increase in number. Fill the earth and subdue it. Rule over the fish of the sea and the birds of the sky and over every living creature that moves on the ground." Genesis 1:28. Every creature that is in heaven and on earth and under the earth, and such as are in the sea and all that are in them, I heard saying, "Blessing and honor and glory and power to him who sits on the throne and to the Lamb forever." Revelation 5:13. God is the creator of heaven and earth. He doesn't only save our souls, he also saves the entire universe. In fact, God's creation is so precious to him that he created a new heaven and a new earth, which is going to take place soon. We shouldn't watch rivers being polluted or toxic gases pumped into the atmosphere without protesting against it in God's name. Lift up your hands and be counted when it comes to things like that. Take God's hand in a time of crisis. But now the Lord my God has given me peace on every side. I have no enemies, and all is well. 1 Kings 5:4. No temptation has overtaken you except that is common to mankind. And God is faithful. He will not let you or allow you to be tempted beyond what you can bear. But when you are tempted, he will always provide a way out so that you can endure it. 1 Corinthians 10:13. You are a hiding place for me, O Lord. You preserve me from trouble. You surround me with shouts of deliverance. Proverbs 32:7. Says, one of my friends believes that you can handle a crisis well, then you are in trouble because you're not supposed to be able to handle it well. It is, after all, known as a crisis. Crises happen outside of your comfort zone. You can't handle it with your normal human abilities, insight, and strength. That's why you always need to take refuge in the Lord in crisis. He wants to help you. Surround yourself with good friends also in such times. When you're in a crisis, you make sure that you have more than just you. Even if you have to go out and grab somebody by the arm, even a stranger. And here finally we have constructive criticism. Better is open rebuke than hidden love. Faithful are the wounds of a friend. Profuse are the kisses of an enemy. Therefore, let us stop passing judgment on one another. Instead, make up your mind not to put any stumbling block or obstacle in the way of a brother or sister. Romans 14:13. A fool vents all his feelings, but a wise man holds his tongue. Proverbs 29:11. Whoever heeds life-giving correction will be at home among the wise. Proverbs 15:31. Let a righteous person strike me. It is a kindness. Let him rebuke me. It is oil for my head. Let my head not refuse it. Yet my prayer is continually against their evil deeds. Psalms 141:5. Being easily offended is a characteristic of many people. They get hurt very easily and are sometimes overly sensitive. They bleed when others look at them the wrong way. Make sure you don't become so sensitive to criticism. Also, don't live a life motivated by criticism. Make sure that when you are the one to criticize, that is always constructive. Let your correcting of others be to the glory of God and the benefit of the people you're correcting. Then you will be speaking truth in love. I love you. Hope you have an awesome day. I'm on my way to go to work. I'm probably going to do a video on the way. Jesus Christ is Lord, and Jesus Christ is come in the flesh. My name is Brother Jerry Lee, and I love you so very, very, very much. Have an awesome day. Talk to you later.